Ancient fossils rewrite animal evolution, timeline new discoveries in China, reveal surprisingly complex animal life existed before the Cambrian explosion, challenging long-held beliefs about the origins of animal diversity. The Ediacaran puzzle for decades. The Cambrian explosion, a period of rapid animal evolution around 539 million years ago, has puzzled paleontologists. How did so many complex life forms emerge so quickly? The Ediacaran period, 575–539 million years ago, immediately before the Cambrian, was thought to contain only simple, primitive animals. However, recent fossil discoveries from Jiangcheng, China, are rewriting this narrative. A team led by Georong Li unearthed over 700 exceptionally preserved fossils, many of which represent animals far more developed than previously imagined for that era. This matters because it suggests the Cambrian explosion wasn't a sudden burst from scratch, but rather a culmination of evolutionary steps already underway. Strange creatures of the deep. The fossils depict bizarre, yet clearly animal-like organisms. Some resemble bugle worms, cylindrical creatures anchored to the seafloor with a flat base and a flexible, tube-like extension that may have been a mouth. Others show radial symmetry, similar to modern jellyfish or corals, with body parts radiating from a central point. Perhaps most surprising, the team discovered an abundance of animals displaying bilateral symmetry, matching features on both sides, a characteristic of most modern animals. Previously, only a handful of bilaterian fossils were known from the Ediacaran, making this find exceptionally significant. One species resembled sausages on skewers, complete with feathery appendages around their mouths. Muscle tissue and evolutionary links. The fossils include specimens resembling Heaosha, an animal from 560 million years ago that already possessed muscle tissue. This proves that key features associated with animal complexity were present well before the Cambrian explosion. Emily Mitchell, a paleontologist at the University of Cambridge, calls the discovery absolutely fascinating, highlighting its vital contribution to understanding life during the Ediacaran period. The presence of both radial and bilateral symmetry suggests that the evolutionary toolkit for complex animal life was already diverse by the end of the Ediacaran. Rethinking animal origins, these new fossils indicate that the Cambrian explosion may not have been as abrupt as once thought. Instead, it could have been the final stage of an evolutionary process already in motion for millions of years. The sheer number of bilaterian fossils found suggests that the diversity of animal life was much greater in the late Ediacaran than previously assumed. The discovery underscores the importance of continued fossil exploration, as it continues to challenge our understanding of life's early history.